Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Puppeteer NodeJs. Today we are going to learn how to take a screenshots with Puppeteer NodeJs. La- Last above three videos we have uploaded. Now next we have the how to take the screenshots with Puppeteer NodeJs. Let's have a look on that one. So here we have a screenshot file. Let's have a good look on that one. That is this one. So first we require the Puppeteer. Then we have to create a function which accepts the query and the file name. Then first launch, then browse the new page, okay, which we have to take a screenshot. Then I am going to navigate with the Google search results page query with this one. Okay, let me word wrap this. Okay, so here we have a search query. So whatever the search query page will come up, wait for the search results to load. You need to adjust selector, so you have to wait for that one. Then there is another one, that is page.screenshot, for taking the screenshot of the page. Then close the browser. So here we are just querying, that is web scraping, and this is the name of the file, and now calling the function which accepts the query and the file name. If it's success, then it log me the screenshot of the Google search results taken successfully. If something goes wrong, it will go to the error block. Okay, let's have a look of that one. Is it really works or not? So here we go with this one. So clear this node screenshot.js, and here we go with the screenshot of the Google search results taken successfully. Let's have a look of that one. So where is screenshot file? Where it is making. So this is that one. So here you can see web scraping, whatever data we have, it is coming over here. Let's see that one. Okay, so exactly the same coming over here. Web scraping, let's add the web scraping and see the results. You can see the full results is coming like this. You can see the screenshot. Okay, the same thing. Okay, whatever the layout it come up, it will take the screenshot, right? So this is how you are able to take the screenshots with the help of the Puppeteer. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.